Load results function is a custom script designed to search for specific values in memory, retrieve them, and display the results. This tutorial explains the function step by step, focusing on its purpose, implementation, and how to use it effectively. The first line defines the load results function, encapsulating the code for searching and displaying game memory values. Next, our code displays a pop-up message to inform the user that the function has started executing. Search number function searches for the value 25 in the game's memory. The type double specifies the data type, in this case, a double precision floating point number. The getResults function retrieves up to 10 results from the memory search and stores them in the results variable. If no results are found, the function alerts the user and stops further execution using return. An alert displays the number of results found. Then the code loops through each result and displays its memory address and value. At the end, load results function is called to run the code. The load results function is a great starting point for interacting with game memory. It automates the process of searching for values and interpreting results, making it easier to identify key memory locations. By understanding this function, you can customize it to search for different values. Add further functionalities like editing values using ggSetValues or refining results using ggRefineNumber. This script demonstrates the power of GameGuardian, giving you the tools to explore and modify games effectively.